Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best men's gloves that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, premium, or right in the middle, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Timberland Men's Magic Glove with touchscreen technology. This pair is designed for the modern man who wants to stay connected without sacrificing warmth. The standout feature here is the touchscreen compatibility on the index fingers, making it easy to use your smartphone or tablet without removing your gloves. Whether you're texting, browsing, or posting, Timberland ensures your fingers stay cozy in the cold. In terms of design, Timberland keeps it simple yet functional. The gloves feature a snug fit and are made from a soft, stretchy material that feels lightweight. However, this minimalistic design does mean that these gloves are best suited for mild winter conditions rather than extreme cold. They're great for quick errands or commuting. While the price point of $6.40 is very attractive, the gloves may not offer the durability or thermal insulation of some of the higher-ranked options on this list. If you're looking for a basic, budget-friendly option with touchscreen functionality, the Timberland Magic Gloves are worth considering. Just don't expect them to stand up to heavy outdoor use or prolonged exposure to freezing temperatures. At number 4, we have the budget-friendly Trendo Winter Gloves. With a price tag of just $5.94, these are the most affordable gloves on our list. But don't let the price fool you. These gloves pack in some impressive features, including touchscreen compatibility and a thermal knit design. They're perfect for casual activities like running, driving, or even light hiking. The design is sleek and unisex, with a snug fit that accommodates both men and women. The knit material is soft and offers decent warmth for mild cold weather. Although it's not ideal for extreme conditions, the touchscreen functionality on the fingertips is a convenient addition, allowing you to use your smartphone without exposing your hands to the cold. However, the touchscreen performance can be a bit hit or miss compared to higher-end gloves. While these gloves are incredibly affordable, their durability might not match up to the pricier options. The material may wear out with heavy use, and they don't provide as much insulation as others on this list. However, if you're looking for a no-frills, budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the Trendo Winter Gloves are a solid choice. Taking the third spot on our list are the Hamlandy work gloves for men and women. These gloves are designed for versatility and durability, making them a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable pair for both work and everyday use. At $9.34, they hit a sweet spot between affordability and functionality. The design of these gloves is robust, with reinforced stitching and a snug fit. The synthetic material provides flexibility, while the touchscreen capabilities allow you to operate your devices without removing the gloves. They're not just for work. They're also great for yard chores, driving, or even light outdoor sports. The gloves have a textured anti-slip palm that offers excellent grip, which is particularly useful for handling tools or working in wet conditions. While these gloves are durable and versatile, they're not the warmest option on this list. They're best suited for milder weather or as an inner layer in colder conditions. If you need a reliable pair of gloves for multitasking, from work to casual use, the Hamlandy work gloves are a fantastic mid-range option. Coming in at number 2, we have the Unigear Lightweight Running Gloves. These gloves are crafted with runners and outdoor enthusiasts in mind, offering a combination of warmth, breathability, and touchscreen compatibility. At $11.24, they're a bit pricier than some other options, but the added features and quality make them worth it. The standout feature of these gloves is their moisture-wicking material, which keeps your hands warm and dry during physical activities. The lightweight design makes them perfect for layering under heavier gloves in harsh conditions or wearing alone in milder weather. The anti-slip silicone pattern on the palms provides excellent grip, whether you're holding a phone, steering a bike, or gripping equipment. The touchscreen functionality on the thumb and forefinger is reliable and durable, making it easy to use your devices on the go. While these gloves excel in comfort and functionality, they may not be warm enough for extremely cold conditions. However, for activities like running, cycling, or light hiking, they're hard to beat. If you're an active individual seeking a versatile, high-performance glove, the Unigear lightweight running gloves are a fantastic choice. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Samari Winter Gloves. These gloves are the most expensive on our list, at $12.57. But they deliver exceptional value with their premium features and versatile design. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or just braving a cold morning commute, these gloves are up to the task. The Samari gloves are built with thermal insulation to keep your hands warm in even the chilliest conditions. The material is soft yet durable with a snug fit that provides excellent dexterity. The touchscreen-compatible fingertips work seamlessly, making it easy to navigate your devices without removing your gloves. What sets these gloves apart is their versatility. They're suitable for everything from outdoor sports to freezer work, making them an all-around performer. The only downside is that they may feel a bit bulky for tasks requiring fine motor skills, but this is a small trade-off for the warmth and durability they offer. If you're looking for a premium glove that combines style, performance, and practicality, the Samari Winter Gloves are the clear winner of this roundup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.